Today, we had the Circular Economy for Ghana Stakeholders Workshop. We know that Ghana generates a lot of waste, and 50% of that waste is organics. But beyond that also, we know that there are organic waste streams that are not being captured in national statistics. So for example, crops residues from production value chain, effluents, and wastewater streams. All of these sort of waste are valuable resources that can be used within the economy.
Climate change has been a major challenge that is facing agriculture and agricultural practices in Ghana and beyond. Number two, the issue of availability of fertilizers. And that is where circular economy that we are discussing today will come in.
We are at the end of this consultation workshop dedicated to circular economy that brought together more than 110 participants representing the private sector, or the civil society, research institutions, all working together to understand how waste and wastewater be reused in order to create value for this country. The intent is to identify a number of partners with who we can work collaboratively and in an inclusive way to design an initiative that can address some of these main problems in agricultural sector here in Ghana.
I think it's been a very great event. I'm so excited to be here. I've seen a lot of researchers, I've seen a lot of private sector who are making use of circular economy, like Safisana, who are generating electricity from organic waste. And I think this is very important to make the connections that will build the bridges for ensuring that circular economy can be scaled up across the country, and also make sure that innovations can trickle down to the farmers and also create jobs.
This particular engagement forms part of our core mandate of protecting the environment in terms of how we can mitigate the dangerousness caused by galamsey and other environmental depletion impacts. We are also looking at improving waste management in terms of the circular economy, conserving natural resources, and ensuring that economic growth that's done in tandem with the tenets of environmental governance. We will form a collaboration with you and work assiduously in ways that will mitigate the dangerousness caused by factors that have the tendency to destroy the environment.
It has been a very exciting day, bringing together these diverse actors from private sector, public sector, academia, and research. I was very excited to see the enthusiasm for highlighting the challenges, the gaps, and the national priorities that we can focus on and design a circular economy agri-food systems challenge in the coming year.